Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Everybody there? Hey, it's your semi-favorite weird HVAC guy here on YouTube. So, just a little New Year's drunk post. Yes, I've been drinking. Getting ready to tuck our daughter in. I'm going to stay up a little bit later because I can. I earned it. I worked today. I'm actually going to work tomorrow. So, just want to talk to you guys a little bit about life in general, about 2025. It's going to be a great year. And, I did a little video. Let's straighten the hat out there a little bit for you guys. I did a little video. And let's turn that down a little bit. I didn't drink that much. I haven't got into the fireball yet, but it's happening. It's only about 7:30 here. So I talked a little bit about where I came from. I'm not the most successful guy, but I am pretty successful, and I'm going to be able to retire probably about the age of 56, I think, if my projections work out. Hold on a second. Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. My daughter's going to go to bed in about a half an hour, and she's coming out, and I don't want her on these videos, of course. So anyway, I want to kind of give you guys an idea where I came from. So I have a small video that's back in the past. I think I made it like, I don't know how long ago, 4 or 5, 6 months, about where I came from and, why I appreciate every little thing. I mean, I appreciate every little thing. That's why I give back. That's why I'm trying to give these tools away that are right in front of me right here, okay? They're right here. I got the Hillmore benders. I got the Testo smart probes. I got the SeatonHVAC vacuum pump here. And then back here, I got that scale that I'm working on giving away if I can just get some more entries, But anyway, so my own doing, I was drinking heavy back in 2000, well, let's be honest, more than 2018, but 2017, 2018, I was drinking really heavy. I didn't care about anything. I didn't have a girlfriend, wife, kids. I didn't care where I lived, whatever. I actually would spend the night in the shop that I worked at, and the boss just looked it over because I was a good HVAC installer. But anyway, let's get past that. So back in, let's call 2018 the year, okay? Most of that year, I wake up, go to work, get off work, whether it be 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, sometimes we work later, you know how it is in HVAC, and then drink until I passed out. Might be 8, might be 9, might be 10, might be 11, might be midnight, might be 1 in the morning, whatever. I would either sleep in my vehicle, okay, or I would either come up with the money to get a room in a motel or a hotel or whatever it may be. Chasing women, whatever it may be, right? And I kind of did that the last, I think I did at least 1.5 years. That's all I did. That's all I did from, well, let's call it late 2017 till about March, early April of 2019, okay? And then I came over here to Central Oregon, which is on the other side of the mountains, the Cascade Mountains. My sister took me in. I slept on her couch for probably a month or 2 or 3. I can't remember how long it was. April, May, June. And then I met my wife, drinking, of course, at a bowling alley. Yeah, real redneck stuff, right? Anyway, we started dating. I was still living with my sister, my little sister, sleeping on her couch. And, we're going out, we're hanging out. Probably not good for her. I probably wasn't good for her at the time. But I saw something in her, and I decided to, do better for myself. And I didn't even, okay, it wasn't my idea, guys. I'm not a guy that latches on to a woman. I never would, okay? But at some point while we're dating, she says, well, why don't you just come move in with me? I said, I'll only allow that. Now, granted, I had a full-time HVAC job. I was making good money, so I just want to let you know I wasn't a moocher. Anyway, she said, why don't you come move in with me? And I said, okay, on one condition, you let me pay, most of the stuff. And she goes, of course. She wasn't making that much money. And anyway, so that's how that went down. We lived in her house for about, I don't know, year and a half. And then we bought this house we're in now. I'm successful. We keep acquiring stuff, putting money in the bank. Life is good. So I just want to let you guys know where I came from. I came from rock bottom, and that's not the first time that's happened throughout my life. I've lived in the woods. I lived in the woods for weeks at a time. I've lived in my car many times, but it's not going to happen again. Or maybe it could happen again, and it's that threat that keeps you motivated, right? The threat of you losing everything is what should keep you motivated. I've been at the bottom so many times that I want to be at the top now, or at least not at the bottom, somewhere in the middle. So I just want to share that with you, and I hope you enjoy that story. And God bless everybody. Happy New Year's. I hope 2025 is the best year you've ever had. I hope it's the best year. I have a feeling it's going to be, because I'm really motivated to make a shit ton of money. I'm going to make a shit ton of money. I'm going to give back a lot. I'm going to make sure everybody's taken care of, including my mom, who's not doing real well. And just make sure that my family and friends are all good. And you guys out there who I want to give tools away to. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. And I'll see you after the new year. No video tomorrow.